In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your table border on Microsoft Word. So you can see I have this table here and I want to edit the border. So what I mean is this side, that's the border of the table. So let me show you guys how to do this. So what you need to do is something like this, and you can see the border here. You have a lot of options for the border. You get it. You select any of them, or you can select the whole table and then you choose this is the border. This is the same thing here. Good. You can even choose this and then you work on the border. So let's say I want, these are all options, but these doesn't make sense. So let's do it outside border. I mean, that's it. Let me select this one here. And you can see there's changes in the border in this side. Yeah. So that's it on how you can adjust your table borders. There are lots of them. You just drag. And then you come here. This is the border. Or you can right click to come here too. And you can select any of them. You see the changes appearing. Yeah. So that's it on how you can adjust a table border on Microsoft Word. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.